Okay, March blizzard of 2018, take 2. Checking the birds have been out feeding today. They must be in survival mode. So, alright, so this is the second storm in a week and the third storm in 12 days, and I'm telling you, I'm getting really sick of this. So, mainstream media is like, oh, it's so normal to have snowstorms in March in Maine. Like, no, not like this. You know, and then people just taking it in stride like the Mainers they are, thinking this is all like, oh, it's supposed to have snow. No, not like this. And I just, you know, I was looking at one of the headlines and they were saying that this was another one of those bombogenesis things. And then you go read the article and they don't mention anything about bombogenesis in the article. I'm like, well, so they're just trying to confuse us, and I'm just really tired. This is exhausting. And the worst part is I have to come out. Luckily, I have a short driveway, but, you know, I've got to come out and do this twice, and it's a heavy snow. And I don't even like coming out in this. I start getting really anxious when I come out, and I feel weak, and it's hard to. This is just really getting hard to keep up with, folks. So I'm just documenting this. You know, I'm not happy about this. I'm tired, I'm exhausted, and everyone I talk to is getting pretty sick of this too, and you'd think people would be questioning why so many storms. This is man-made, that's why so many. You know, I looked at the radar and I saw the frequencies, I saw the lines, I saw the HAARP ring. It's all there. You know, man-made. This is draining our budgets. This is draining our strength. And that's what they want. They want us to be so busy that we're not paying attention. And you try to talk to people about it, and they don't get it. So, anyway, just wanted to document the storm, and this is only about half of it so far. We're supposed to get 2 feet. This is really coming down, as you can see. You know, got my work cut out for me. I'm going to have to clear this out tonight. Then I'm going to have to come out in the morning and clear it out. So, I'm getting tired. I'm getting tired. I thought spring was coming. And the birds have been really out feasting today. I'd love to be able to catch them, but every time I get close, they fly off. So, alright. Another blizzard. And when's the next one coming? Next week, obviously. Storm of the week. Okay, thanks for watching. Reverend Galileo out.